Mzansi sawubona, Mzansi ngiyakubulisa. Anti ngithatheni le thuba, let me take this golden opportunity ngiyangibulise wonke umuntu ozababukele video. I just want to be decisive and specific. I'm responding ku Mr. Nkomonde, ubaba lo sebenza DCS, Department of Correctional Service. And I'm not responding in a way of being negative or in a form of being personal, but I'm supporting him 100%. Mzansi, don't get me wrong. Bafowethu ansondeleni lana abozakwethu, sondelani lana nina abobhuti esibuya le phakathi sonke emjipa phakathi eprison thina ama ex offenders. Igama lami abaningi bangazi ngo Mr Speaker la ku platform e social media. I'm an ex-con spent 17 years behind bars. Obhale incwadi ngempilo yakhe. Ongashintshanga ngoba ijele limshintshile, oshintshe ngoba usaba ukubuyela ejele. Bafowethu, we will never be us. We will never find peace in our own self. We will never be able to correct our offending behavior and also accept the opportunity a second chance esiphiwe istate esiphiwe na umphakathi lo sulimazile unless we accept the truth and accept ipast yethu so that we can let it go. Bafowethu, ayikho into ekumele si-embrace ngecrime. Ayikho into eyenza ihero just because of ubuyiko pantinta. Ayikho into eyenza ihero just because of uke wahlukumeza, wadlwengula, wabulala, warape, wayenza yonke le heinous crime, yonke inhlobo of any crime that you can mention. All of this colors ye crime le uyenzile. Then want to come here sifuna ukublame ubaba uNkomonde. It's high time we break the silence and the scourge of not recruiting, the scourge of not becoming heroes or playing heroes yokuthi ngoba uke waboshwa, ngoba uke wabantswembu, waphatha isibhamu, wagijima, wajumpa ama counter, kumele i-youth yethu ifollowe kuma footprint wethu. That is nonsense on a high rate at its best, on a high level. Ngibuya phakathi ejele ngihlukumezekile kakhulu. Mr Nkomonde, I highly salute you and I applaud you that you made the public aware that we need help in terms of our compliments when nonsense. It's up to us, any individual, that you change or you get worse. We don't need compliments, even the second chances to be welcomed in society. Ukuthola lelo thando, ukusizakala empilweni. We need to work hard for that, because you might have been changed today. Impilo yakho igutukile wena for the better, and you want to be the good father to your kids, or washiya le ntombazana or lo mama or lo sisi nabo. But what about lo baba omthathile bantwaneni bakhe laba bangasakhona ukuthola ipapa isinkwe etafuleni because of wena? What about lo mama omthathile umphefumulo wakhe ongasakhona ukuthi abe khona for abantwana babo because of wena? What about lo mama ongasakhona ukukhohlwa empilweni, ophila ngetrauma ye depression, ye stress, ye anger, ahlukumeze nabantu abangamenzanga lutho because of wamdlwengula? What about labantu abacripple because of ama victims we crime wezenzo zethu? What about bona? You have changed, but the pain in people, the deeper pain that you have inflicted in people's lives haven't changed. There are people who said, let us just accept, forgive and forget. There are people who are tolerating you while back bona. There are people who still wishes to see you dead. Asebenzeni kanzima ukulungisa umzansi. Let's become the main contributing factors, subjects and element in building a crime-free zone society and a better free country so that everyone can be free. Abantu baphila ngovalo. Umuntu makaqala ezwe sound abona ini uyabheka uyavika. Yet we go to podcast, we embrace crime, we worship crime, and then we promote crime, we condoning nonsense. Mr Nkomonde, you did nothing. And the other thing that we need to rectify society, asiyekeleni ukublame abanye abantu for izenzo zabanye abantu. Ushilo Mr Nkomonde wathi akana nkinga no Scheme GP. Scheme GP has done anyone nothing. Obuthemba Lukele has done anyone nothing. Rana i-content yakhe uyenza owakhe umsebenzi, akabizanga muntu athi kuye amfaka amagama emlomeni ukuthi embrace. Mr Scheme GP is exposing in fact what we are in denial with as society, ukuthi bakhona abantu abayenza izinto eziso. He wants you to hear nizizwele, but people thina siya ku podcast zakhe yithi senze ngathi those were the good moments, those were the good things. Sikhuluma engathi siyaqhoma ngayo, sikhuluma engathi the next person ayihalele instead of sikhuze. I was once even a person oye waya ku podcast yakhe, I even shed tears because of ipast engihlukumezile mina. I don't even want to go to a point ukuthi abantu bangizwela ubuhlungu. Ngizwa ubuhlungu ukuthi since I have a fine finally ngiye ngazibona amaphutha wami, finally ngiye ngabona ukuthi ngangiphila udoti, ngangiphila nonsense. What about my victims? But I say to God, thank you. In the line yama criminal activities wami angibulalanga but ngihlukumezile, and ngiyazibuza ukuthi njengoba ngivela kuma public platform, on public spaces, ngimotivator, ngi-inspire, ngizama uku-educator ulusha as an angry person positive ukuthi angifuni ukubona umntwana omunye umama ahamba into my footprint. Ayikho into emnandi ngejele, bazokuhlukumeza, bazogcwalisela ejele akho mnandi. Yekelani ukumislilwa izinto zekuthi kunamafoni phakathi, kuyanyiwa phakathi. Yekelani abo clever baloku bazontshela udoti labuzani thina. Mina start ukungena ejele ngisasemncane. 17 years of my life I've spent it unproductively. I have a book engiyibhalile ebizwa See Beyond Your Distraction. Ikhuluma ngami impilo yami from la iqale khona nomhlungu engiye ngabuthola phakathi ejele. I was poisoned ejele, ngikwaziwe ejele, ngihlothozisiwe ejele. I wouldn't come here and want to embrace nonsense. But in Komonde Pambili, forward we go. I'm one of those ex-cons who's not angry, who took no offense about what you said. Abanye babo, truly speaking, abanye babo bayazazi balalo, abanye babo bahlukumezekile ngokocansi, abanye babo they were slaves, abanye babo bahlothoziswa intanga zabo, yet ngaphandle bazomalana. Kuma podcast bafethu asikhulumeni iqiniso ukuthi ungafisela umntana omunye umama or ungabi hero ngamanyala kumntana omunye umama. Akunamntwana ekusamela landela emva kwethu. Kumele silwele igeneration le esiyikhulisayo esinayo ngaphambili ukuthi yazini, salute, no more turning back. Bantwana bethu, crime doesn't pay, there's no honor amongst thieves. And I want to say on behalf of those who can't even ask for forgiveness to the victims, my victims, ngicela uxolo whoever and noma bakuyenzeni uhlukumezeke kangakanani. Ama victims are not, I was holding a podcast, I was holding life yami one day ngithi, what about the pain that still lives with ama victims? Lawe singakhona ukuya kuma podcast machita sothi sicela uxolo noma ungaxolelwanga at the same time, but the fact that you said uyaxolisa, izinto zakho zizoxola empilweni, yonke into efisayo izoxola empilweni. NoNkulunkulu kulabo abangezwanga uzobahlebela ukuthi uxolisile shame, no matter the pain esi-inflictile isakuphethe namanje, kodwa uye wathi uyaxolisa. Sengeleni uku-embrace amanyala. Angithengi isikeleme, angithengisi isikeleme, angithengi buso bukamuntu, ngima kanje. I don't even protect anyone, but I want to be honest. Ubhuti Skim GP akasibiza sifake amazwi lawa okuphapha, okukhwenza, okufuna ukwaziwa, uku-embrace amanyala. Uyalalela azathi athuke naye, ufuna ukuthi uMzansi ubone ukuthi what kind of people we are, and then what kind of an angry nation we are, and what kind of animals we are. Siyazi expose yena ka embrace anything in fact uyasi-expose. Asikhulumeni nginenzeleni umzekelo. Umuntu makacashwe emsebenzini ucashwa ukuthi uyasebenza, omunye u-end up atshontshe emsebenzini, omunye u-end up angawuhloniphi umsebenzi wakhe aqoshwe. Umntwana uya esikolweni afake i-uniform, phakathi kwe-uniform omunye abhema ama-drugs, omunye aphuza utshwala. We can't blame the school, we need to blame the behavior of an individual. Umuntu uyadrinka adrive, manje adrive imoto yakhe adakiwe, aloku adrive azi ukuthi it's against the rules. We can't blame the car, we need to blame the driver ophuze adakiwe wayekhosa i-accident and then wahama abanye abantu. So I'm here ngima nawe Bhuti Nkomonde 24/7 uMr Speaker, akana filter, akahlobisi manyala, angidecorate nonsense, ijela likaze libe mnandi. And let me tell you, as you said Mr Nkomonde, not all of us are angry. In fact, we are supporting. I'm an ex-con, mina Bhuti ngihlothozile empilweni yami. Most of they know me. Mabayibona le video, i-nickname yami kwaku-Ubhoutu wamasimba wayi-nonsense. Ngambulala uBhoutu, mina ngaze ngamfihla ngamfakela ne-tombstone, kwakhuphuka ubongani, wabuya ubongani, wathatha impilo yakhe back from uBhoutu. Mina ngithi phambili, way forward. Ex-cons, it's high time we apologize. It's high time we try to be the prescription of healing to our victims instead of becoming the heroes of nonsense. Phambili ngawo Bhuti Nkomonde, and ngizontshela asiyekeni ukublame abanye abantu for amanyala wabanye abantu. Lama podcast I was promoting, lama podcast aphana nge-platform ukuthi ziveze, uziveza nge-nonsense wena uthi uyachama, uthi uthatha ama-point, uthi ufuna ukwaziwa kangcono. That is nonsense. I-past yakho ungayi-embrace, i-past yakho i-regrete ngoba azange ikulethele any bank statement, azange ikuphe any promotion, azange ikuphe any permanent employment, azange ugraduate ngale past yakho. Asiyekeleni uku-embrace amanyala. Youth, there's no honor amongst thieves. Ntwana zami la nihlangene ngamanyala nizohlukana ngamanyala. Ijela lisimnandi, akusipap and face, akusikanyoko laphayana, akho mnandi ngale ndlela nizwa bayikhuluma ngakhona. Mr. Speaker lo ungangifollowa ungangilike ungangilanda na ku platform yami and I'm gonna be angry for abafowethu kwama ex-con. The media is booming. Imedia iyabhoma just for the mere fact that Mr. Nkomondo decided to stand out and stand tall. Animthatheni nani ngalendlela esibhreka ngayo esinarrator lama past wethu esinarrator lama illegal activities wethu, or should I say ama crimes wethu esiwayenzile. Let's all come back and be united and be unity under one umbrella ukuthi let's fight the scourge of crime. We can't come here and want to smoothify or babyfy issue ukuthi most of our ex-cons bafowethu embrace crime. It's like there's a status, a citizen, or we are graduates, or we have diplomas and degrees, as if we have graduated to the next level yokuthi this young and upcoming generation ama youngsters wethu kumele bona ama role models. We can't be having ama role models wamanyala. Good people who've been there, done that, sibuya khona. More painfully into ayikhulumayo mina Mr. Nkomonde iyangena. I've lost so much. I'm traumatized. Ngilimele kakhulu. We need to accept that. And the other thing empilweni uyazazi ukuthi if you are not part of those abake bakulala noma bakusodomize ejele, you don't have to make noise and raise your voice or raise your hands, and then you must be accounted amongst. As you know ukuthi you are a self-rehabilitated ex-con, phila nayo, become part by statistics esithi nawe you are building and you want a change and you want to make a meaningful contribution in building a better South Africa and a crime-free society, expecting nothing in return but what this life has to give you back. Ngiyayibona lento ibhoma imedia, people amachita afuna ukuvela ba justify uMr. Nkomonde ngisho angayibeka. You know mawukwatile bafowethu nawe uyi-out ukhumbule kuma actions wakho. Abanye abaye bangena emajele azange bafakwa ubugebengu, baye bafakwa yilento esibiza ienga. Lesifuna ukuyi-expressa manje uMr. Nkomondo ukwatile uze ukwate nangama colleagues wakhe mani mlalela kahle, ungamlaleli for into efavor wena or into epha wena amandla ukuthi you must respond. Sometimes you don't listen to respond, you don't listen to react, you listen to understand. I-growth ne-maturity level, it doesn't require a cent. It's about ukuthi adopt the mechanism of listening. It's a skill bachita. Mina I would say this, uyabona as nami ngizobuya ngikhulume ngithi I don't see any wrong from Mr. Nkomonde and I don't see any wrong from uBhuti Scheme GP uMr. Themba Lukele upusha i-content yakhe, and that guy ubuildile naye ukuthi azabe la akhona. Akazange abize umuntu futhi afaka amagama emlomweni womuntu ukuthi umuntu makahleli kulesa sihlalo ashiswe ukuthi kumele abonakale ecountryn ukuthi uke wabanjani. A person must go there and make a deep introspection, as-narrate history sakhe ukuthi I'm sorry Scheme, ngiye ngayenza kanje nakanje 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 nakanje. I feel sorry for the victims, I feel sorry for my actions, I feel sorry ukuthi I must heal so that at least those people engabaheta nabo ingade can find their space of peace and also find a part where they can try and accommodate my apology. Not to say it must sit there kube yinkani ukuthi basitolele, but for we can't fight Mr. Nkomonde. I applaud you bhuti wami, as much as uthi ukwatiswa nabo zakwenu abasebenza emajele abasifakela amafoni abasifakela ini. I'm also one of those ake afakelwa amafoni afakelwa ini and what, and I thought in mina ngazibona ngiyihero ejele, ngazibona ngathi kusekhaya lana, ngabona ngathi nento engifakile lana yayi right because ukhona ukumokola noma ukumisleader noma ukumanipulate i-system so simple. And those people have taken oath of office ukuthi they are there to correct and offending behavior yesiboshwa, not to also help them ukuthi ba transgress, help them ukuthi bafake i-contraband. No guys, mina ngithi yekelani ukwata, instead of unikwate asivuleni i-unity yama ex-con ethi phambili nge-crime doesn't pay, and then down ngabantu aba-embrace i-crime, abantu abafuna ukuma abamahero. Asike sivuleni i-forum yokupholisa. Njengoba ngiqhubeka ngisho bafowethu, I'm so sorry ne, we need to come up ngeplan yokuthi sivula kanjani iforum njengama ex-con wokuthi we must never embrace crime, but we must try to come with a prescription. We must try to come with a message of support. Sizeni ngayonke indlela, size nge-full force yokuhila ama-victims, and siceleleni uxolo nalaba abahlulekile ukuzicelela uxolo, nalaba abangachentshanga. If you check even statistically, amajele agcwaliswe abantu abaphuma phakathi, some of them is those beba embrace le nonsense yale mpilo because of abasana mpilo ngaphandle, sebanempilo ngaphakathi. Umuntu uphuma namhlanje, next week ubuyele. Umuntu uphuma namhlanje, after 3 months ubuyele, because akazange athathe isikhathi sakhe sokuhlala a change. I'm one of the victims abalimele, abahlukumezekile. Owami umntwana ngamluza mina ngisejele, ebengicela ngithandaza kuNkulunkulu ukuthi please my son must never follow into his father's footprint, but yet umntana wagcina abhema inyawupe, abhema ama-drugs, abamba inkunzi, wahamba wayebamba umuntu wrong inkunzi, bamkapa bambulala njengenja ngamaplanga nangamazenke nangani. Angikhonanga umfihla. Owami umama ngimazi for 1 day empilweni yami, but the next thing ngiphakathi ngathola umessage ukuthi umama ushonile. Look at ama losses, look at izinto engindlule kuzo, ngapha ile mpilo engake ngilimazile. Zonke lezi zinto zikhona encwadini yami, nasencwadini yami ngi-embrace crime, ngikhuluma ngama-drugs, ngikhuluma nge-crime, ngikhuza umusha, ngikhuza umuntu, ngikhuza abantu ukuthi there's no honor amongst thieves. Bafowethu asiyekeleni ukukwatha kangaka, asibuyeni sikhulumeni iqiniso. Not all offenders, there is why it is not all, I mean not all ex-offenders, there is why it's not all ama-prison warders, but masikhuluma thina kuma-podcast nala ngaphandle siyenze ngathi wonke ama-prison warder corrupt. Kunabantu aba-dedicated, abathatha i-oath of office and they maintain that. Kuneyiboshwe eziye for a change, kuneyiboshwe eziyele ukuyograduate, kuneyiboshwe ezibona kahle ukuthi ngoba uyangena msomi, sekanomsomi, sekanenombolo, sekuyi-26 i-RAF 3, i-Big 5, unongolosa, yonke lento lena, sekabona kahle ukuthi angagruma. Abanye size sigruma nalabafana masifika siyenza ama-groupings and then sivula ama-gangsterism, bana this authority and power yokubhulisha ey'kolweni bayenzani. Asilweni leyo nto, siyekele ukulwisa iqiniso elifeyisane nathi. Kusho ukuthi lamanga besiwaphila sifuna ukuwapromote ukuthi aright, asifuna ukukhula, asifuna ukuba corrected, asifuna ukusiza umphakathi ukuthi abantwana bethu basizakale. Mamela Taki, mamela Grootman, mamela uThami, uneyinqosi uzele. I so wish and I don't think ukuthi you would wish something like that yenzakale ebantwaneni bakho. But Skimchi awuna flop, but Skim GP wena uphana ngeplatform, awudictate umuntu futhi awucontrol umuntu kumele athini kule platform. Just hit amajita, embrace nonsense. But Nkomondo, you are nowhere wrong, and as a dedicated prison warder, a man in brown, of focus, uNkulunkulu akubusisa qini. Bafethu ofuna incwadi yami, ofuna incwadi yale ex-con le emele umphakathi. Mina ungangibiza nge-CC boy, ungangibiza ngokuthi ngishile, ungangibiza ngokuthi hey kuyafana, mina ngiyasithenga isikele emse-positivity. Angishintshanga futhi ngoba ijele lingishintshile, ngishintshe ngoba ngisaba ukubuyela ejele. Iyakuphi space ijele, siyakuphi isikhathi sokuthi uzithole. Eyami incwadi ibizwa See Beyond Your Distraction, ikhuluma yonke lento engiyikhulumile, ibe sikhuluma ngobuhlungu baphakathi ejele from e-juvenile center nangaphakathi, izikhulume futhi nenhlungu engindlule kuyo, mayiceda ifundise ngama-drugs nange-crime ukuthi azilunganga. Inkosi mayibusise. Ngizoyipreacha lento up until amajita athi brabongs Mr Speaker uyayibeka, kunokuthi sibhizi siloku sifuna ukuzenza ama-victims of circumstances. We were not victims, we are perpetrators that needs to be cleaned. Kumele singene laundry isiwashe le machine, mase isiwashile we are not ready ukuthi singagcokeka. Umuntu noma impahla mayiseyiwashiwe ayikho ready ngoba isikuni washiwe, mayi-ayinwa i-ready ukuthi ngagcoka unoma ubani, ngisho noma ingena label noma ingaduri, but impahla mazi ayiniwe ziyabonakala zihleze emzimbeni womuntu. Asibe yilabo bantu. Inkosi mayibusise.
Yabona sengithula isikhathi eside ngiloke ngingafuni ukugonyuluka ngalento. Sengibuka inqwaba yama podcast o Agenda Network, ile enye engiyithandayo futhi nayo ka Skim GP. Of which ama platforms a Grand O2 la akhona namanye ne, but lawo yiwa a major phezulu about ama offenders, ama ex-offender angasekho ejele, akhuluma izitori zawo zasejele. Into efike ngiphathe kabuhlungu la, majority lama ex-offenders are romanticizer ijele, enzi ijele kwi-public or kwi-society libukeke ngazathi i-holiday inn. Ya understand? Mina as umuntu osebenza ejele ngizokutshela straight, musukukhohliswa abantu abake baboshwa baphuma ngaphandle ejele. bonke labantu balimele engqondweni, balimele enhlizweni, balimele ngayo yonke indlela ongayicabanga, even physically. Abanye bangena ejele bengaguli ndawo, namhlanje banama chronic disease njengoba beyama ex offenders. Abakuvezi lokho. Ayibona le nto le. Bafowethu, yabona ngizowenza nje example ngento eyodwa engeke ngayibona ngamehlo enzeka phambi kwami. Like siyenzeke ihlandle eningi but nje ngizochaza kule instance eyodwa. Mina ukuba aware kwami nge-anal cancer, ngibe aware nge-anal cancer sengisebenza e-correctional services. And now uma usebenzisa ingqondo, most likely yini into engakhoza ukuthi umuntu abe ne-anal cancer. Ayibona leyo nto. Lapha engqeni abafowethu baphenduka abafazi. Ya understand, endakalalo umuntu oyedwa. Enye into kumele uyazi. Ingakho bengeke bavuma ukuthi bake balalwe, bayalazi iqiniso. Akalalwanga umuntu oyedwa. Yayizwa leyo nto le. Emva kwalapho wonke ama objects ongawacabanga ama contraband noma illegal ejele bawafihla khona lapha kweanal, kweanus. Yabo? Kungaba ifone iyangena lapha kule yambobo. Ngoku like iboshwe zayifaka ifone engqeni ihlala esiswini. Immese, ama drugs, yonke into ongayicabanga bayayifaka engqeni, bathi ukapha ngolimi lasejele. So wonke labantu laba basafike kulama platformeni abanixoxela ngejele, kungani bengakuvezi ukuthi guys, majority yenu ngaphakathi ejele, I would say 90 to 95% wama offenders bayagula and banama illnesses are serious. Ngikhuluma ngento engiyaziyo, ngikhuluma ngento engiyiphila almost every day, umsebenzi wami lengikhuluma ngawo. Bahanjiswa yimina noza kwethu kuma clinic nasebhedlela. Ya understand, ayikho into ekuzothiwa mayenziwa odokotela kuthiwa siqhele. Yonke into yenziwa sikhona sibuka. Ayikho offender engangifihlela ukuthi iphethwe yini health wise because idinga mina ukuthi iyosizakala. So musani ukumisleader youth niloke romanticize ukuba sejele guys. Akuyona kuphela indaba zomalalana ejele. Kuningi okwama factors, ya understand, kuningi and okungekho grand. Mangithi kuwe le ngqondo, le ndawo yayilimaza ingqondo, hayi kancane yayilimaza ingqondo. Iyamlimaza nomuntu siqu sakhe. Ngiyaphinda namanje kukancane ukuthi ngane umuntu ekuthiwa utolile ejele, uphumile ejele, ophila kahle ekhanda. Ngiyakutshela iqiniso lelo. Ukuthi nikasi ibona mawukuthi mhlambe nginesibazi la. Kunezibazi ke ezingabonakali ngokwehlo lenyama kodwa ezingapholi futhi ezinkulu okudlula isibazi leso sibona ngamehlo. Majority ama ex offenders abantu abafacane nezinto ezifana nalezo guys. So asiyena ukushuka khotha lento siloke senza ngazathi kwi public there's something nice or something heroic ngokuthi uboshiwe. Yini emnandi ngokuboshwa? Cause ijele livulwa ngo8 ekseni. Ngabo 2:30 to 3 liyakhiwa. Ufana nesilwane esifuyiwe. And mase nikhiyeliwe senivalelwe nodwa emaseleni ngaphakathi, yila imkhuba egileka khona. Ngikhohliswa abantu, most labafethu abama ex convict abagijima beyophapha kuma podcast bezenza izinto ezazithafa ejele. Siyazi ukuthi nanidayisa ngemzimba ejele. Abanye bembini omahosha ejele. Khuluma iqiniso. Abanye benu ukuze nithola indlela yokusurvive ejele benidayisa ngezinqa. Nimunye amanye amadoda imthondo lapho ukuze nikwazi ukuthi nibe nento ethile niyibekayo etafuleni nani nikwazi ukuhlanganela lezi zinto enidingayo lapha nalapha. Akungathi namhlanje seningaphandle kumele ngabe yinini enibuye isizwe nitshela abantu iqiniso, nitshela abantu the real traumatic experiences enwaface inside of prison. Ukuze ingane ezincane ezikhulayo zokwazi ukuthi akuyona indawo yokudlalela le. Engikwaziyo uyabona ama ex convict afundile lesson ngaphakathi ejele. Ngeke uwezwe gijima ekhulumana nezinombolo estradini. Ngeke uwezwe futhi ehambe phapha eqhambisa ukuthi wona akaboshwa kwasho kwagcina. Awayikhulumi lezo zinto. Yilo umuntu obede isikhebereshe sasejele ngaphakathi uzofuna ukuzowenza ijele libukeke ngazathi liyinto enhle ngaphandle. lapha ngaphakathi ningazodlala guys. Mawukuthi wena uyazazi ukuthi uyinkabi awunasibhamu ozobe usiphethe lapha ngaphakathi. Ngisho ukuthi uyazazi ukuthi ulwa kunqamuka izandla namanga bazokubhebha ngibeka kanje straight angifuni nokuyiso ukuyimbathisa bazokudla and udliwa abantu abagulayo ngaphandle kwecondom. Nawe mhla usulijwayela ijele uyobufuna ukuyi-inflicta kwabanye leyo nto into ehamba kanje le yanto angeke iziphele. Banamanga mabelo bentshetsha abalalwa lapha ejele amanga. Majority yabo mfethu sihlala sibabuya mfethu uzoshawa amahloni uthi hayibo kahle lona uthini kahle kahle. Siyanazi phela gents. Akushintshanga fakole siyanazi. Yakani ukumisleader isizwe tshelani isizwe kuyiqiniso. There's nothing heroic or there's nothing ongayiglorify ngeprison. Nyama lapho.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Another ex-convict speaks or responder to Mr. Nkomonde, guys. Usho nje a mouthful kufo nje nokuze ngikhulume kakhulu ngimoshe simvile sonke and uyasho nje ukuthi yena uvimelana naye Mr. Nkomonde. People should stop defending in nonsense. Lento la ikhuluma kuNkomonde liqiniso uyakwati naye lo uyasho ukuthi uhlukubetekile kakhulu naye ejele, and labantu abadefenda ku akakuthi why badefenda because akusimanga lento la ikhulumile uthi naye ibhantitile lapha eBarberton prison and uthi imshintshile kakhulu impilo yakhe nesikhathi sakhe simoshekile and uyasho ukuthi ngelona libhuku leliqhaza impilo yakhe. So ungamthola lapha ku TikTok uma umfuna ngu Mr. Speaker. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.